Here's how to join the Valucop Premium membership. So what is the Valucop Premium membership? Our membership plans gives you access to all our courses for just a little fee. Instead of buying all our courses, you just get to pay one fee and access our courses for like a period of a month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year. So how do you get started? You get started by creating your account. First of all, when you come to the Valucop website, valucopglobal.com, you click on get started. Get started, you set up your account, your email address, and your password. Then when you set up your email address and your password with your full name and username, you go to your email, and then you confirm the email you receive. That way your account becomes activated. When it becomes activated, you are now in. So next, if you're already a member, if you want to access this, you can log in with your email address and password, or your username and password. So you log in. After logging in, you will now have access to everything. For example, the courses and all of that. So what do? Let's go to home so you can see all the courses and the membership. So these are the courses. There are 3 pages of courses right now. There are over 10 courses you can have access to, over 10, just by signing up for the membership. So what do? You're logged in now. Now let's look at the membership. How many memberships do we have, and which one can you have access to? We have the basic, the standard, the premium. We have the gold. We have them for business owners. We have exclusive. Let's say you want to have a personalized coaching, just me and you, one-on-one. Do you get? You don't want to go through all this, learn on our website. That one's available. We have our internship program. We have Valucop for teens. So now our premium membership is when you when you pay for this discount that we're offering right now, you will have access to all these courses for free. Like when you pay for the membership right now, it's on 50% discount. You have access to all these courses for free. There are 3 pages of courses for free for a period of 6 months. So if you've already assigned yourself, if you've already registered, you paid for the membership, where do you now find it? Where do you find the membership? So after you've logged in, just go to my account. And you're going to see it under your dashboard. All the courses will be under your dashboard. All the you'll see assigned groups. Assigned groups means the membership. You see the membership that you have access to on that assigned group. And when you click on expand, you will see all the information, and then you click on the Valucop Premium membership, and they lead you straight up to the membership, and you see all the courses you have access to under the membership. So then you can start with anyone you want, like this getting crypto job now. You can start with it, and then you start taking the courses. So these are what you are going to gain from it. These are testimonials from it, and then you can start taking the courses one after the other. See, so you start taking. When you are done, you will get certified back course you finish under the membership. So I hope this was able to help you. So what do you do first? First of all, you sign up. If you signed up already, then you log in. When you log in, you go to your my account. Under your my account, that's your dashboard. You now go to assign groups. Under assign group, you click on that membership that you have, and then it takes you to all the courses that you need to access. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions under this guide. Thank you.